Immerse yourself in the radiance of Cancun, an enchanting paradise nestled on the northeastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Here, the sun dances on the crystal-clear turquoise waters, and the pristine white sands are as warm as the welcoming smiles of the locals. This tropical haven, with its rich Mayan history and vibrant nightlife, is an irresistible lure for globetrotters seeking an unforgettable adventure. Begin your journey at the Cancun Underwater Museum, an extraordinary spectacle that merges art with nature. Over 500 life-size sculptures rest beneath the waves, creating an artificial reef that teems with vibrant marine life. Venture into this underwater wonderland and witness a unique fusion of creativity and conservation. Now, imagine standing at the heart of the ancient Mayan world. The Tulum ruins, an archaeological site perched on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea, is a testament to a civilization that thrived centuries ago. Marvel at the Castillo, the most prominent building on this site, and feel the echoes of a bygone era. Craving a respite from the sun, the Rio Secreto, a hidden underground river, offers a thrilling respite. Traverse through its labyrinth of passageways where stalactites and stalagmites glitter in the dim light, creating a surreal, otherworldly atmosphere. For a taste of modern Cancun, head to the bustling hotel zone. This tourist hotspot boasts world-class resorts, gourmet restaurants, and pulsating nightclubs. Whether you're yearning for a luxurious retreat or a heart-pounding night out, you'll find it here. Finally, no trip to Cancun would be complete without a visit to Isla Mujeres. This tranquil island, just a short ferry ride from Cancun, is a sanctuary for those seeking serenity. Wander through the charming streets, relax on the tranquil beaches, or swim with the gentle giants of the sea, the whale sharks. To summarize, Cancun is more than just a sun-soaked paradise. It's a place where you can dive into an underwater museum, step back in time at the Tulum ruins, explore a hidden underground river, revel in the vibrant nightlife of the hotel zone, and find tranquility on Isla Mujeres. So, pack your bags, leave your worries behind, and let the allure of Cancun guide you to an unforgettable journey. Because in Cancun, every moment is a new adventure waiting to unfold.